Hey guys, this is Derek from Modern Castle. Today we'll be taking a look at the Shark IQ. This is a robot vacuum with a self-emptying dustbin, Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced digital mapping. But how well does it actually clean? Let's go ahead and find out now. Don't forget to like this video and get subscribed for new videos every week. We tested the Shark IQ on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. On hardwood floors, the Shark IQ did a great job on all debris types, scoring a 98% overall. The IQ did leave a small collection of debris in the middle of the area after cleaning, which could have been a navigation issue rather than a problem with cleaning. On low-pile carpets, the IQ's results were less than impressive. It struggled to clean up each debris type, leaving some of each type behind after cleaning for a score of 74%. On high-pile carpets, the IQ did a better job on all types. It did more zigzagging across the middle before sticking to the edges of the testing lane. The final score for high-pile carpets was a 90%, which is a respectable score for robot vacuums. One thing we noticed was that the dustbin on the robot got clogged several times and caused problems with the auto-empty function. Cereals seem to be the main issue related to clogging. In addition, the onboard dustbin is only 0.16 liters, meaning it fills up quickly. Don't forget to check the link in the description if you want to purchase the Shark IQ. One of the major highlight features on the Shark IQ is the self-emptying dustbin. Until now, we've only seen a comparable feature on robot vacuums with much higher price tags, such as the Roomba S9 Plus and Roomba i7 Plus. When the Shark IQ completes the cleaning cycle, it will automatically navigate back to the charging base. Once there, it will connect to a suction vac on the docking station, which sucks out the contents of the onboard dustbin and into the larger dustbin on the station itself. According to the Shark, the docking station can hold 30 loads of debris. The IQ also includes a navigation feature called onboard mapping, which uses a camera to scan the room and help the robot learn the space and avoid obstacles to make sure the entire room is cleaned. After spaces are mapped, you can use the Room Select feature to send the IQ to a specific room in your home. You can even connect the Shark app to an AI device like Amazon Alexa to make the IQ even more convenient. The Shark IQ has a clean button and a dock button on top, allowing you to start a cleaning cycle and send the robot back to its base. On the bottom, it has a spiral brush roll, 2 spinning side brushes, 2 large navigational wheels, and a smaller directional wheel. The Shark IQ is 12.9 inches long, 12.6 inches wide, and 3.5 inches tall. It weighs 5.87 pounds. Included with the Shark IQ is a HEPA filter, 2 spinning side brushes, docking station with built-in dustbin, and a 9-foot roll of boundary tape. To maintain the Shark IQ, you'll need to empty the docking station dustbin and periodically replace the filter. Empty the dustbin by releasing the latch and allowing the debris to fall into the trash can below. The Shark IQ's navigation is a bit of a mixed bag. On the plus side, it tends to navigate in straighter lines compared to other robot vacuums that bounce and zigzag. However, we were not impressed with the boundary markers. The included boundary tape can be used to block off an area, but the thick black strip is a bit of an eyesore, especially when compared to other robot vacuums that offer infrared virtual barriers or digital keep-out zones. So, is the Shark IQ a good value? The overall value of the Shark IQ is great, with several advanced features that offer an improvement over previous Shark models. Highlights are the onboard mapping and Room Select, Wi-Fi connected app control, and of course the self-emptying dustbin. Drawbacks are the boundary strips, clogging in the onboard dustbin, particularly with large debris, and some less than stellar debris pickup, at least in our low-pile carpet test. I recommend the Shark IQ to anyone who wants hands-off vacuuming. The IQ takes care of itself with smart navigation and a self-emptying dustbin. I also recommend the Shark IQ if you're looking for convenient cleaning. The bagless dustbin on the docking station holds up to 30 loads of debris, allowing you to leave cleaning to the robot. And finally, I recommend the Shark IQ if you want an overall great value. Considering price in relation to features, the Shark IQ has an affordable price for an excellent robot vacuum. Well guys, that is it for this review. If you have any comments or questions, drop us a note down below. If you're interested in buying the Shark IQ, we've got a link in the description. If you'd like to see more from Modern Castle, definitely get subscribed, check out some of our other videos, or visit us at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.